Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we'll be doing a look with this palette you see here in my hand. So we're gonna get our face prepped and everything, getting my brows together. This is gonna be a quick one, all right? So right now I'm using the all matte primer on my face, just in my T-zone area, and I'm using my flat top brush to blend that all out and all that jazz. It's been a while, but I'm back, guys, and I'm gonna, as usual, I say this to you all the time, I'll try to film more frequent. But now I'm using MAC NC35 concealer pot to shape my brows, and I'm going for a high arch today, honey, because I'll be using a lot of bright. If you notice the palette, it's very bright, all bright colors, and they're very matte. So I'm using, I'm taking the arch really high, and I'm going to be doing a very fun, very bright colors and a very bright, fun look. I'm not sure if you're able to tell, but the concealer on the top of my brows is a darker color. The light is making it look more of a warm undertone, but it's slightly darker than the NC35. Now for my transition color, you can see I'm taking that very peachy color to blend in, and right after I follow it up with that very dark pigmented red on my outer V, and I'm just going to blend both of those colors together, and I'm going to incorporate basically the colors of the rainbow. So you're going to see me using yellow right above the transition, and then I'm now taking this hot pink. Listen, this hot pink is everything. If you hear dogs in the background, forgive them just snuff, and them always, for some reason, they decide to be in this video. But anyway, moving right along, I'm using the matte yellow in the center of my lids right there, and I'm gonna make it's gonna be like that smooth rainbow transition color. So now I'm incorporating that neon green shade. They can actually be pop more and be brighter, especially if I had used like a white base, but I think the NC35 base was just good enough for the type of intensity that I wanted for this look. Now I'm taking that neon green to the bottom of my lids. I'm slowing down because I'm wondering if it was the neon green or the green. I believe it was a neon green, and I'm moving on to that turquoise right in the center. And then at the outer edge of my bottom lid, I'm going to take that violet color. It's like a rich blue, but it's like a blue purple kind of look. And if you notice, by the time I take it up to the outer V, and once it blends with that pink, that fuchsia at the top, they automatically create that nice popping purple that you see that's happening there. And then I just go along and blend out any harsh lines so that there's a smoother gradient and a smoother transition between each of the colors. Now I'm going to take my Italia pencils, and you see them right here. I love my Italia pencils. Listen, they're soft, and they're very pigmented, and they're not scratchy at all, not hard at all. I love them. I'm going to be taking, what color is this? I think turquoise. Yes, I'll be taking the turquoise from the inner tear duct on my waterline right through to the center of my waterline to kind of brighten up that, because I'm not going to be using any black there. And then I'm going to, on the part that had the blue or the violet color, I'll be using the violet pencil to line that area. And you know what, guys? Oh, right now I'm taking fuchsia and I'm aligning it in the corner, but once it blends with the violet, it's going to create a purple as well. But I was about to say, all the information for the products are listed in the description bar, so please remember to check that out. And I have links to where the products are being sold as well. Now I'm taking the Ico liquid pen, but you know what, this is like a marker. It's very like a brush tip, but it's really fine. It's hard to describe. I actually really like it. And you know, I'm not a fan of these kind of liners, but I find myself using this one very frequent. Now moving on to my lashes, I'm using the Kleancolor what is it, waterproof mascara, and I don't mind this one at all. It's very nice, and I love the one because it's so thin that it gets right to the edge of my lashes. Moving on to my eyebrow marker thingy. It's a 4-tip eyebrow pencil, but it's like a felt marker like. It's hard to describe. I like it, but because this is such a quick video, I won't be able to articulate or describe what the products really are like, but I'll try to save those for a next video when I'm, you know, when I have more time, because this is really a quickie. Alright guys. And then I'm just filling in the edge of my brows with my detailer brush. Love my detailer brush. I'll also link that in the description. Speaking of which, most of these stuff though you can get at my Amazon store. I do have an Amazon store. It's Beauty Cosmetics. The link is in the description bar, and the lashes you can get there as well. And listen, yes, these lashes look actually towed up, and that's because they are, this is wifey, but I found it in one of my back pocket somewhere. Long story, but anyway, it's quite crushed and everything, but I decided to wear it because I really like it. And I didn't even have my lash curler to kind of smooth it out, but listen, no hate. All right, I'll get it together for the next one. Moving on, I'm now spraying my foundation color, and that's Island Spice, and this is also in my brand of Airbrush Makeup, which also you can now purchase on Amazon. Yay! So this is an Island Spice, and I'm just spraying that all over my face to give a nice even finish. And when I'm through, I'll be spraying the color for my highlight. But this foundation color is Island Spice 250. I don't remember if I actually said it, but it will be on the screen, and it will also be in the description bar. Now for the highlight. This is in the shade Tropical Glow 250. Or was that 200? I think it's Tropical Glow 250. Yeah, or 200. When I decide what it is, I'll put it in the description bar. I'm being careful not to spray my lashes because I already applied mascara and everything on them. Well, yeah, I applied mascara on it, so I don't want to get the foundation sprayed on the lashes, because then I'll have to do it all over again. And I ain't trying to do that right now. Back to my Kleancolor mascara, because I did spray my lashes, so yeah, wasn't trying to do that, but hey, it is what it is. Just darkening them back up so it's nice and vibrant, and it emphasizes the look a little bit more. You know, I think this look would have looked nice with some bottom lashes, but my eyes were runny and they were giving problems, so we didn't really do that today. Now I'm lining my lips with the Italia pencil in the color light brown. And I'm now applying my sweet lips also from my line Beauty Cosmetics, and I make these products, guys, so they're all natural and all good. But here we go. This is a finished look. I know the lights are bright, so I'm going to be taking a few pictures and posting them at the end of the video. So yes, honey.
And alright, you guys, this is the final look. And I know I still had my pink bonnet on because I really wasn't going anywhere. I just did the look for the tube. But you know what? Until next time, deuces.